I'm Ejesu from Unless. This week, let's check out how you can show that you cater to the needs of companies of varying sizes with optimized content pages. If your B2B company is targeting enterprise as well as small to mid-sized clients, you already know that they all have different decision-making processes, different needs, and priorities. That is why they can benefit from personalized messaging and are more likely to respond to different CTAs. With Unless, you can target companies of different sizes with different messages to match their needs. When a visitor lands on your website, we can identify their company and enrich that information with more data points, including the number of employees. Then, let's see what can be optimized on your website. The headline is a crucial piece of real estate. It's the first thing your visitors see, so make sure you grab their attention with a headline that speaks to their specific situation. Support this with a subhead that will make your pitch more compelling. Let's say you sell marketing automation software and you target both startups and enterprise customers. Startups may benefit from seeing all-in-one marketing platform for startups. Hit the ground running and boost growth from day one. Enterprise buyers, on the other hand, may be more enthused by the all-round marketing platform trusted by Fortune 500 companies. Next up, relevant content recommendations. Got your visitors' attention with a personalized headline? Keep them hooked with relevant content recommendations. For visitors from smaller companies, display peer reviews, case studies, and testimonials from other startups. And when it comes to enterprise buyers, show analyst reports and case studies from larger companies. You can also highlight different types of content using Unless's inline and overlay components like pop-ups and bars. And don't forget the CTAs. The purchasing process is very different for startups compared to enterprises, where multiple departments are often involved. For startups, CTAs like get started or sign up may work well. Enterprise visitors, on the other hand, may benefit from seeing talk to an expert or request a demo instead. Now, let's wrap this up with an example, this time from our very own website. We have an overlay on our blog pages to get interested visitors to book demos. Since the benefits of Unless can change depending on the size of the interested company, we decided to incorporate this in our messaging and created two experiences for startups and enterprises. First up, we have the startup example. Startups are often looking for a solution to get started with quickly and increase their efforts as they grow, so the headline has been adjusted accordingly and the CTA has a low barrier to entry with Get Started. Next up, let's take a look at the second example. Enterprises tend to already have an idea of what they want and need, as well as internal plans and processes. They're more likely to request a demo, get various decision makers involved, and so on. That's it for this week's video. Until next time.